Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. In today's video, we will look into the next set of 4 words, and that is ship, S-H-I-P, ship, south, size, step. So let's look into the first word, ship, S-H-I-P, ship. Cruise ship, cargo ship, rocket ship, spaceship, travel by ship. A captain controls his ship and its crew. We saw a large cargo ship. Some items are sent by ship, S-H-I-P, ship. Some of them were shipped by air. That means some items were sent through aircraft. Iron, I-R-O-N, iron, is used in building ships. I love to travel in cruise ship. The second word is south, S-O-U-T-H, south. South side, north and south, in the south, south coast, south pole. Tim's house faces to the south. Tim planted some trees on the south side of his house. Birds fly south in the winter. North is the opposite direction from south. Amundsen from Norway was the first to reach South Pole in 1911. Karnataka's Mysuru is the cleanest city in the south. The next word is size, S-I-Z-E, size. Large size, small size, king size, queen size, size 1, size 10. What's your shoe size? It's 8. What size do you wear? 10. This cap is the right size for everyone because it is stretchable. It's one size fits all. The size of the building is huge. From the size of this tree, it looks that it must be very old. Excuse me, do you have this jacket in my size? Yes, sir. This jacket comes in 3 sizes. Do you prefer a king-size bed or a queen-size bed? I prefer a king-size bed. The next word is step. Step up, step out, step down, step back, step forward, step 1, step 2, step by step, last step. Learn to speak English one step at a time. Step 1 is to repeat over and over again. What's the next step? The next step is that you keep on practicing and practicing and practicing. The baby took small steps towards his mom. The boy ran up the steps of the apartment building. Be careful. Don't step in the flower bed. Oh, so sorry. It's a beautiful flower bed. I'm so sorry. So that's all for today. Meet you again in my next video. Till that time, as I always say, do listen, practice, and keep repeating the sentences of the words. So till we meet again, stay healthy, stay happy, stay blessed, and take care.